Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts and interview questions. Please subscribe to my channel to support me. Hi friends, today we are here to know information about spiral model. I request please watch the Sdlc and its phases video. The video links are available in the record section. We will not understand a clear picture of spiral model without watching the videos. So please go through that videos and then come back to the spiral model. Spiral model is one of the Sdlc model. So in this model, we are going to observe some of the Sdlc phases. So if you see this picture in this PPT, you can clearly understand it looks like a spiral. If you look in depth into the concepts, first of all, we get one requirement specification document for module number 1. Based upon the requirement specification document, design is done by the respective architects. So based upon the design, which consists of both high level and low level design, then developer starts working on it. So it is called as implementation phase. For more details about the requirement, design and implementation phase, you have to refer the Sdlc phases. So after development is over, testers start working on the module number 1. So they used to do all the functional and non-functional testing and give release to the customer once the testing is done. So it is called deployment phase. After module 1 is getting deployed, a new requirements will come for the module 2. The same process is getting repeated. So after requirement design and implementation will come. So after implementation, testing will be carried out by the testers. So in this spiral model, when development for module 2 is over, we test the both functional and non-functionality features. That means system testing is done for the module number 2. After that, they used to do integration testing with module 2 and module number 1. So in this integration testing, they will check the dependency parameters, whether data is getting transferred from module 1 to module 2 and vice versa. And also they used to do some sanity testing for the module 1. So once this is done, they will deploy the second module to the customers. So after that, we get new requirements for the module 3. The same process will continue on after a requirement design and implementation. So in the case of the testing, in this scenario, they used to do system testing for module number 3. After that, they used to do integration testing with module 3 with module number 1 and also module 3 with module number 2. And also after integration testing, they used to do sanity testing for module 1 and module 2. By this, they will get testing will give a clearance that module 2 is independently working. It possesses all the features it should be needed and all the features are working fine. And also it's capable to integrate with the module 2 and module 1. So data communication or other dependencies are working well. So after integrating module 3 with module 2 or module 1, the functionalities of the module 1 are not getting affected and also functionalities of the module 2 are not getting affected. So by this system testing and integration testing and sanity testing of the individual models, the test team will give clearances from them that module 3 is working fine. So after this, they go for deployment of this particular module. This process will continue on. So as the process is iterative process, you can also say a spiral model is a combination of waterfall model and iterative model. The same process getting repeated iteratively. So it is called iterative model. As we are following some requirement design, implementation, testing and deployment phases. So these all get observed in the waterfall model. So we are saying this combination of waterfall model and iterative model. So this is the brief explanation about the spiral model. So and also we should know when to use this spiral model, what are the advantages of the spiral model and what are the disadvantages of the spiral model. In the next video, in the next slide, I'll provide you the in detail description, details about this, when to use this spiral model and what are the. Friends, please click on like and subscribe button to get notification from us. And also, please share these YouTube links to your friends who are willing to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, for supporting the Abhey YouTube testing tutorial channel and continuing your support, I heartfully thank you for all these things.